No, I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't quite get how I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey.
Hey there, Luna. How's it going? You're so beautiful, laying on my bed. You're so pretty. Yeah, she likes it when I pet her like this, because I'm very gentle with her. She's so soft. I love her soft fur. She just wants to be in my bed. Hey, Luna. Hey. So she loves my bed. Just chilling here. It's a nice, beautiful day today. I'm gonna play a game. I'm gonna play a cooking game on my phone. Cooking center, and I hit play. It loads. I've been playing different types of cooking games. I already did all of this. I've been playing at least like 4 or 5 cooking games because they're all different. So like, why not? So just here and press play while it's loading, and you can see that I'm gonna play the game. So it's like pancakes shaped like a heart or cakes, but they're really pretty. Okay, coffee or cakes, chocolate. See? Let me play. Okay, and yeah, I win. See? There you go. I've passed 40 levels in a row. So yeah, continue. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel in this vlog, and my makeup done. I'm wearing my PowerPuff Girls t-shirt. We have Buttercup, Blossom, and Bubbles. Yeah, cute Bubbles. She's so cute. I mean, they're all cute, but like, she's my favorite. I even have this clip right here that has bubbles on it. This is from ColourPop. To my makeup, that is Powerpuff Girls inspired makeup I did with this Powerpuff Girls palette that I have right here. See? Powerpuff Girls X ColourPop. Now, I had this for a year because it came out a year ago in 2022 or 2021. I think it was 2021, like 2 years ago. My bad. I think. I forgot. Anyway, so I have this palette right here, and I did this eye look with the 3 girls on here, and I can show you the inside. I'm going to open it because it's hard to open with one hand. Okay, ta-da, here it is. This is what it looks like on the inside. You got the prints on it, hearts, flowers, a star, and some glitter in here that I used. This is the eye look I did. See? By the way, today is April the 2nd. This is April. We're getting into a spring break, and Star is with her dad for a few days, and he'll bring her right back with me. No school for a whole week. Yay! No school, spring break, and spring. Just a beautiful weather. It's a nice day. And I love springtime because it feels nice, you know, and not too hot, not too cold, just right, good weather, and especially if it's like sunny. I don't like the rain, so I did my makeup all yellow for the month of Autism Awareness Month, April. I wear yellow because yellow is for autistic girls and women, and red is to support people who are autistic. We wear red, not blue. What do you guys think? I think it looks super cute, especially with my top. It's like flowers and the yellow, it's like a pale yellow color, little pockets in it. It's a cute top that I have. And then I'm hand swatches because I got these new right here. And this is like my mirror that I have. I was just swatching this on my hand. Some new creamy gel liners, and they're waterproof. So I got these new cream gel liner, color outside. It's waterproof. So many different colors in here, and I have swatched them on my hand. They have mattes and some metallic shades as well. And it's very pigmented, as you can see on my hand, very pigmented. And I did use one yellow shade, the yellow creamy liner on my waterline, and it did show up a little bit color, so it's not bad. Actually, it's pretty good. It's soft and creamy and comfortable, and it doesn't bother my eyes, and I think it's definitely worth purchasing, worth getting. I really love how it looks, especially with like the light, you can see it better. And without the light, you can see that it does look very nice, pigmented. You see swatches. It's really colorful and bright, mattes and some dark shades. I put a little bit of yellow in my waterline, just a little bit.
Who am I? I am a queen. My beauty, fearfully and wonderfully made. I was created with a purpose.
trap now. Bubble trap. You're in the bubble trap. You're trapped in bubbles. No. You're in the bubble trap. No, bubbles flew away. Flew away from, yeah.
The pretty dress. Spin around. Please spin around. Okay, right there's a good. Blow your bubbles. You can spin around and blow your bubbles at the same time. Whee!
Is it summer already?
No, it's spring.
Wait, bubbles. They're around you. Oh. Look, the flowers.
What are you doing?
¿Por qué se fue para el cuarto?
Huh?
¿Por qué se fue para el cuarto? Be careful. I don't want to break it. Yeah, I don't want to break it. But if you know, if you make a mess, then you would.
Ooh. Nice. This is nice. Silver in the front.
I thought all was silver, but only the door. Yeah.
That's okay. It's nice. Yeah, my little mini fridge. It's not mini, but like it's smaller than the regular refrigerator. Cause at least we get a freezer part. I think we have to lift it up, right?
Wait a second, now I gotta take this out first.
What are you doing?
Take it out.
Come here, Star. Hey, princess. You're pretty. Hey, come here. Look in the front. Looks nice, right? It's
Is there
soft.
anything inside?
No.
Is there anything
It's
inside?
soft. No, not. We just got it. Nothing inside.
Open.
So cute. Having this mini fridge. I put some candy snacks in there. It's so cute. Got a fridge. And this, I absolutely love this so much. what's up? This is my vlog in my pastel goth makeup look I did today for my video. And this is my look number 1 with this palette. Inspired by Freddy Krueger and super cute girl version of Freddy Krueger. Creepy cute candy land vibes. This palette is called Sweet Dreams by Hex Baby Beauty. This is a pastel shades in here. I use the palette a lot. Look at that pretty pink. This one has a pressed glitter in here, but I didn't use that one very much, but I do like glitter sometimes. It's really pretty, super cute, kawaii. Then my little kawaii makeup with pastel colors, this palette, and blushes. I love blushes from ColourPop, my favorite. I think of these new from Amazon, these cream gel liners, because they're okay. They do have some color that build it up, but they're pretty good, affordable price. I think it was like $10. I mean, why afford a whole set of really good quality from ColourPop, which I do like, by the way, cost like $100 or like $60 for like this. I can get this on Amazon for like cheaper, you know, and they're really good too. Also, I want to say, if I haven't shown the video blog, we got a new mini fridge. It's super cute. It has a little freezer, and it's so cute. I have put water in there. I got to drink a lot of water and some snacks and treats, because, like, why not? I love snacks, love treats, love chocolate. Knowing me, I just, like, love wearing black lip. I love wearing black lip because why not? It's dark, and it's awesome. I remember when I was in high school, I wear black lip a lot. And once in a while, I just put colors. I put blue, red, pink, yellow, purple, like all kinds of colors. That's just me. I love colors. Also love darkness at the same time. Like, I wear black. If I want to, I wear black. You know, I look good in it. Oh my gosh. I'm weird, but guess what? Being weird is like the new cool. You know, why be like everyone else, but you can just be, you know, weird. And that's okay. I love being weird. I love weird stuff, okay? I love anime, and my favorite anime of all time, as you may or may not know, is Sailor Moon. It's my childhood. I think I look super cute. Pastel goth. I got this like gummy bear necklace, gummy bear pastel necklace, and gummy bear skull earrings. This is from Shane, and this one is from Glam Glue Boutique. And you know me, I'm very random with my vlogs. Like, it's just random because, like, I don't know, I'm weird. Hi. Here is this mini fridge from a Magic Chef. I put little plates and cups in case we want ice cream. Put ice cream in here if I want to. Or I have a cup to fill with apple juice or orange juice. So here's the freezer. So what's inside? We have our ice cream, little cute little cubes in here, you know, just in case you want to put a cup of ice and orange juice or apple juice. This is kind of like water ice in a way. Yeah, it's like kind of like water ice. Italian ice watermelon, and then we have mango. We got ice cream. No, there's chocolate ice cream right there, and then we have these. So cute. Little mini fridge, and in here, look how cute this is. I love lemon iced tea, the brisk kind. They're my favorite. Some apple juice, got some snacks. Look at that. Salad. Lettuce with a little bit of grilled chicken, I think. Yeah, steak chicken, protein, lots of water, because I said before, water is the best. Drink a little water. And a little snacks in here. Little fridge, super adorable. And add some snacks in here just in case, you know. So yeah, that's it. This vlog. Anyway, goodbye guys, until next time. Bye my beautiful people. Mwah. Subscribe, hit the bell to get notified, okay? Show love and support. Love is always. Bye.
Everybody told me that I sound like CG5, probably because I am CG5.